Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can delete your XRP account permanently. So first, before you start, you have to make sure that the latest version of the XRP application is installed on your Ledger device. So you also have to make sure to close Ledger Live as it can conflict with the XRP toolkit. So here is how you can delete your Ledger XRP account using XRP toolkit. So first, you have to connect your Ledger device and open the XRP application on your device. So go to the XRP tool website and click Connect Wallet and then select the Ledger device. So you also have to click Connect Ledger, then select an account and click Confirm. So in the pop-up window that appears, you have to click Connect to Ledger, then select your device and click Connect. So your Ledger XRP account appears in the dashboard. So you just have to navigate to the account tab and select the properties. So here is what you will see on your screen. So navigate to the delete account section and click proceed. So first you have to read the disclaimer. So carefully then paste the destination address and click next. So the destination address will receive your XRP reserve minus a 0.2 XRP fee for deleting your XRP account. So this fee is charged by the XRP network, not by Ledger. So you just have to sign the transaction on your Ledger device to confirm the deletion of your account. So here you have to go to the XRP toolkit. So you will see it in here. Confirm, tap on accounts, properties, and proceed. Yeah, you just have to put here the destination, tap on next, and then that's it. So you can also visit this website so you can see it in here. So it is the support.ledger.com. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.